Hello guys, happy Sunday. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Subscribe if you're not. Today is Sunday and I love Sundays. It's my day to, do everything I need to do, get my life together, get back into my routine, clean, laundry, beauty routine. So I wanted to do a little bit of that and bring you along because I just love vlogging now. I'm such a vlogger. My eyelashes are so long right now. I don't have any makeup on at all. It's totally because of this serum I got from Amazon. It's called Lavish Lash. It's an eyebrow and an eyelash serum, but I only put it on my eyelashes at night. You just swipe them on kind of like on top of your eyelashes like mascara. It's totally working. But today I did want to do my tinting routine, so I'm going to tint my eyelashes. I don't like wearing makeup at home or like if I'm just around my apartment. I like a strong eyelash. Tinting them really works. I'll show you how I do it later. So I want to start this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's do it. Happy Sunday. Real quick, how cute is this little set I got from ASOS? I'm loving the blue color and they're super comfortable. They're actually straight leg. Also, my jewelry, of course, is my own shop. I will link it down below. Everything I'm wearing, always. Now that that's settled, let's get in to the Sunday. First off, I have all these new clothes. I just did a haul, will be coming soon, with Princess Polly and ASOS. Huge bag right there. So I need to put these away. Clean this whole room. And here we go. We are all clean. We are going to wash the sheets later, so I'll have to take this all off. I wanted to mention these clips from Amazon. It came in a set. Let's see. This is my little... There's a green one, I think a black one. I need to organize this drawer a little bit more, but... And I've been loving putting my hair up in these. I'll show you how I do it later because right now my hair is in braids, but my mom always used to put her hair up in these type of claw clips when I was younger, so it gives me such good like mom vibes. But also, how cute is this little jewelry? What is this called? Jewelry box? I don't know, I don't even put anything in it really, but got all my things right here. But yeah, this came in like a pack from Amazon. I'll link it. I love them. They're so good. I am now gonna not film a video. I'm gonna edit a video. I've really been putting up videos like almost every day or every couple days. I've really been loving it. I love vlogging like honestly every day. It makes my days fun, especially because I live in New York City and I'm still trying to kind of quarantine as best as I can. I know things are opening up again and I have mixed feelings about it, especially in New York City. There's a lot of people here. I do have pretty bad asthma since I was little, so I am technically in the at-risk group, so I myself am trying to keep a little bit more safe. No shade to anyone, you can do what you want. I would love to be going and doing fun things out in the city, and I have participated in some things. We've gone out to brunch and mostly eaten outside. I have not done indoor dining yet, but I know that some places it is available in New York City to start indoor dining. Not sure when I will get into that, but still working from home. My boyfriend's still working from home, so we do spend a lot of time in the apartment, which I don't mind. I'm definitely a home person, and I can do a lot of work from home regularly, so that hasn't impacted me too much. But where was I even, how did I even begin this? Oh, the vlogging thing. But yeah, so vlogging my days has made me being in my apartment a lot more fun. That's it. I'm just saying that things are still opening back up, but I still am trying to stay a little bit more quarantined because I don't want to get sick. Honestly, I've gotten tested a bunch of times. My most recent one was last week, so I am being careful about it. Yeah, still kind of stinks. I would love to be like fully utilizing the city. I think the one thing that's really holding me back is the subway. I used to use the subway obviously like every day. I can visit like the whole city. We can walk to a lot of things and that's been really nice, but at a certain point you're like, wait, I want to go see the whole city. But we haven't fully utilized that because I haven't been going on the subway. Okay, long ramble, but all I want to say is stay safe, stay healthy. So yeah, anyway, I am going to edit. I have a few videos actually piling up that I have to edit and get out there. So super fun. I'm gonna sit and edit those. It is football day, so we have football going on in this apartment all day. It's already 5 o'clock and it's been on for quite some time. That's fine. We're gonna hang out, watch football, and I'm gonna edit. So I made, from Chrissy Teigen's Cravings book, the chicken pot pie soup. I didn't make the crust filling though because we didn't have all the ingredients, but I did make corn muffins. Hey guys, so it's been a minute. I have edited a video. Honestly, I had 2 videos that I had filmed previously, so I started editing one, finished another one, put it up. It's uploading right now. And now it's time to dye my lashes. I changed into a t-shirt because I didn't want to ruin my clothes. Oh, and we had dinner, but what's that? It probably won't stain my clothes, but in case it does. So this is the dye that I use. I get it off of Amazon. It's called 1000 Hour. It's a lash and a brow dye. Let's see, can we get like a before shot? I just want them to be a little bit darker. So we're gonna do this. It says it lasts up to 6 weeks, which is crazy. It literally takes 10 minutes. We have it sitting for 10 minutes, but it takes like not very long to put it on. Okay, I got a little piece of like tin foil to mix it on because I threw out the little thing. Also, I saw Jessica Stockstill use a different one, and I kind of want to try the one that she uses, so I might get that on Amazon. I'll let you guys know. Hers had like a powder and a little scooper, and it looked so much easier than this one. So, because this one is like a little, what is this? This is the cream and then like a developing liquid, and I feel like I never get the proportions right. Honestly, I could have done this so much better, but if you had like spoolies, that would be the best because you kind of put it on like you put on mascara. I'm just gonna use, honestly, I'm just gonna use cotton, one of these Q-tips, but that's fine. Okay, it says mix the cream and the liquid. Also, I don't know if you've noticed, but all my nails fell off, or a couple fell off or broke, and then the rest I just had to take off myself because I don't know about you, but if one nail comes off, one of my nails come off, I honestly have to take the rest off. I can't stand when they're like not all one way. I've decided that I'm going on a little nail growth journey. Now, pour the cream and then a few drops of the liquid. Yeah, honestly, this one kind of sucks. Don't get this one. I'm gonna try out a new one and see how that goes. But this one honestly sucks. And then just put it on like you're putting on mascara. It would be very helpful if you had a spoolie, but I'll have to order those on Amazon. I'm gonna do it to the other side and you leave it on for 10 minutes. And there you go. Can you even tell the difference? I don't know. I don't love that dye. I've used it a couple times, but I think I'm gonna go looking for a new one on Amazon tonight, so I'll keep you updated. Definitely worked though. Time to cut Brooks's little paws. He's pissed. Like, that needs to be chopped. Dan, my god, his little leg when he lets me cut it. Oh my god, I love them. Hope everybody's doing well. So I just woke up, getting ready for the day. I wanted to quickly show what I do in the morning. I don't do that much to my skin. I try to keep it kind of minimal because sometimes you just need to leave your skin alone, you know? But I do a few things. So I actually don't do a cleanser in the morning because I feel like I don't need to, so I just splash it with some water. And then I have this, but it's one of the only things I have in my skincare collection that's specifically for AM, so I tend to use it because why not? So there's a serum. It's by the brand AO. It's New Zealand company. I actually met the owner at like an event and he was cool. So he was like a doctor. So they're pretty clean, I believe. This one is a serum shot. Just do a pump of that. And then this one is an AM treatment. Pump of that. And then the absolute crucial part is some sunscreen. Wear sunscreen. I heard that like 80% of aging in your face comes from the sun. So I have just mixed sunscreen into my routine and it's great. So this one is also from AO. It's their Elemental Screen. There are a lot of moisturizers also that have sunscreen in the moisturizer, so you could always just do something like that, but it is super important. And then usually on a regular day I don't wear makeup, but I am filming today, so I'm going to put on some makeup.